Question. Jaypal sold goods to Kapil on 1st January 2016 for rupees 15,000 on credit. Kapil accepted a bill drawn by Jaypal for 3 months on the same date. On maturity of the bill, Kapil paid the amount to Jaypal. Give journal entries in the books of Jaypal and Kapil. Jaypal sold goods to Kapil on 1st January 2016 for rupees 15,000 and immediately drew a bill on Kapil for rupees 15,000 for the same amount. Kapil met the bill on maturity. Journal entries. First, entries in the books of Jaypal. Books of Jaypal, journal. First entry as on the date of sales, that is on 1st January 2016. Kapil account debtor to sales account. Journal entry for the sale of goods. Kapil account debtor to sales account. Narration being goods sold to Kapil on credit. First entry in the books of Kapil for the purchase of goods. Date 1st January 2016. Journal entry for the purchase of goods. Purchase account debtor to Jaypal account. Narration being goods purchased from Jaypal on credit. Second entry in the books of Jaypal for bills receivable. Journal entry for bills receivable. Bills receivable account debtor to Kapil. Narration being the bill drawn on Kapil who accepted it or received acceptance from Kapil, amount 15,000. Second entry in the books of Kapil, Jaypal account debtor to bills payable. Narration being the bill accepted or being the bill drawn by Jaypal accepted. Second entry, Jaypal account debtor to bills payable. Third entry in the books of Jaypal, that is on April 4th, on the date of maturity. Cash or bank account debtor to bills receivable account. Cash or bank account debtor to bills receivable account. And third entry in the books of Kapil, bills payable account debtor to bank or cash account for making payment. For the amount paid, journal entry, bills payable account debtor to bank or cash account. Narration being bills payable met on maturity. Next, case 2. Accounting treatment of bill of exchange when the drawer discounts the bill from the bank before maturity. If the drawer needs money before maturity, then he can get bill discounted from the bank. His bank will keep the bill and will give him money after deducting some discounting charges. On maturity, the bank will get the money from the drawee. Journal entries. First entry for the sale of goods, drawee account debtor to sales account. Narration sold goods on credit. Second entry, bills receivable account debtor to drawee account. Narration received acceptance from drawee. Third entry, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. Third entry for the discounting of bill, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. Discount account is debited. Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable. Narration bill discounted with bank or discounted the bill. Journal entries in the books of drawee when the bill discounted by the drawer. Journal entries. First entry for the purchase of goods, purchase account debtor to drawer account. Second entry, drawer account debtor to bills payable account. Third entry, for making payment on maturity, bills payable account debtor to cash or bank account. There is no change in the books of drawee. Next, Case 3. When the bill is sent for collection to the bank. When the bill is sent to the bank for collection. When the bill is sent for collection to the bank. When there is a large number of bills receivables due on different dates, they are sent to the bank with a request to collect them on the due date. On due date, the bank collects them and informs the drawer. A new account is opened for this purpose. Bill sent for collection account. When the bill is sent for collection, this account is debited and bills receivable account is credited. Accounting treatment of bill of exchange when the bill is sent for collection to the bank. Journal entries in the books of drawer. First entry for the sale of goods. Drawee account debtor to sales account. Drawee account debtor to sales account. Second entry, bills receivable account debtor to drawee account. Narration, received acceptance from the drawer. Bills receivable account debtor to drawee. Narration, received acceptance from the drawee. Third entry, bill sent for collection account debtor to bills receivable account. Bill sent for collection account debtor to bills receivable account. Narration, bill sent for collection to the bank. Case 3. Journal entries in the books of drawee. First entry for the purchase of goods. Purchase account debtor to drawer account. Second entry, drawer account debtor to bills payable account. Third entry for making payment. Bills payable account debtor to cash or bank account.